Hey friends, it's Jenna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a haul video of items I'm going to be listing over in my Poshmark closet. So it's a good combination of items that I picked up in the past couple of days, and I went to two Goodwills one day, and then the next day I went to a buy-sell trade store, and I would say about half the items are from Goodwill and the other half is from the buy-sell trade store. And yeah, I get a lot of questions about where I like to source, and my answer is everywhere. I obviously am not going to give up like specific locations of where I go just because, you know, you got to keep some things to yourself. But I really love Goodwill. I'm lucky in Atlanta we have a ton of Goodwill locations. I don't even think I've been to all of them. And then we have a bunch of smaller thrift stores. I like to go to estate sales, you guys know, consignment stores, buy-sell trade stores. I do retail arbitrage. So basically anywhere that you can source inventory, I'm there. So yeah, this stuff's from Goodwill and a buy-sell trade store, and it's a good mixture. Like I said, it's mostly, I want to say it's a lot of tops. I can't exactly remember right now because I'm not sitting in front of the items, but yeah, I got a couple accessories as well, and I've been really trying to hone in and curate my closet. I talk about this all the time. If you guys want me to do a video about why I like to have a curated closet, let me know down in the comment section below because I could definitely talk more about that. But anyways, this stuff I think really goes along with the theme of my closet, my brand, etc. So let's just get into the haul video. All right, time for the haul, and the first item is this cropped tank top. It's snakeskin print, it's high-low, it's really flowy and boho, and the brand is Show Me Your Moo. It's a size small. I think that'll be great for festival season. Okay, the next item is just a little graphic tee. This is a women's size small. It's by Levi's, and I just really like their classic logo on the front. It's in excellent condition. Lots of graphic tees you will see. The next few are men's, I believe. So this is a Johnny Cash, just classic man in black. It's gray, and it is a size small. And on a lot of these, I honestly don't even look at the brand. I'm going more by the style of them, just because I look for ones that I think will fit my closet vibes. And this one has a really cool yin yang on the front, and it also looks like tie-dye ombre, just kind of bleached and washed out, and it's really soft. And the brand on this one is Life Clothing Co., and it is a men's size large. Okay, I think this next one is my favorite because it is super soft, and it is a men's 2XL. It's Budweiser. It does have a little tiny hole in the back of the neck just from the tag, but really small. Like I said, 2XL. Ooh, it's by Lucky brand. I didn't even realize that. So Budweiser for Lucky brand, and it just has this really cool graphic on the front, and like I said, it is so soft. And then this next one, it says Endless Summer Bruce Brown Films. I like how it has the surfer on the front, and it is by, it's Bruce Brown Films, again by Lucky brand. And it does have a little bit of wear on it, but nothing terrible. It's another 2XL. Really cool. And then this next one has this really nice distressed graphic on the front, and it is Janis Joplin, so it's a band tee. And this one I believe is also Lucky brand. I know I looked at this one. Yeah, Lucky brand, and it is an extra large, men's extra large. This next top, the graphic caught my eye. It's Namaste, and it's got the hand on it, and it's actually Spiritual Gangster. So Spiritual Gangster is just a really cool yoga line, and they make really nice graphic stuff as well as leggings and all of that. So it's a size small, and it's a burnout style sleeve, and it's 3/4 raglan sleeve. So this little two-tone sleeve is a raglan sleeve. Okay, this next item is a silk tunic top, and it's this beautiful floral print, and it's got 3/4 sleeves with little gathered cuffs, and it is by Tolani. I've talked about Tolani before. I really like this brand, and they make beautiful silk pieces. Next up we have a thermal top, and it has embellished cuffs, so you guys can probably guess this is a Free People thermal. I have sold this exact one before, probably 2 or 3 times. It does really well. I'm pretty sure it's called the Bali Babe cuff thermal, something like that, but it has this low scoop back, and then it just has the Free People tag in here, and this one is a size small. Okay, this next top, I see this brand occasionally, but I don't always pick it up, but I grabbed this because I love star print stuff, anything with a star graphic, and also stars are really on trend right now. This also happens to be a burnout top, so it's got that semi-sheer burnout material, and this is the brand. It is Allen Allen. It's a size small. This brand is pretty expensive retail. It's made in the USA, and they sell it at a lot of boutiques, but yeah, I just don't always pick it up, but I loved the graphic on this one. Okay, this next sweater is really cool. You can probably see the tag right there. It is by Frame, so Frame denim, but they call it Frame shirt, and it's a size large. It's just this ribbed sweater. It has this nice cutout above the chest, and what is really cool about it is on the back at the elbows, it also has this cutout. So like when you bend your elbows, I guess it shows a little bit. I don't know. I just think that's a really cool look. It's chic, but it's simple, and then it has some unexpected details. And then this next sweater definitely caught my eye. Red Hot Chili Peppers, as you can see, kind of in the style of like an ugly Christmas sweater, but honestly, I don't think this is ugly. And I know we're towards the end of the, I guess you could say, winter season. People are already buying spring, but I buy stuff year round, and I just could not pass this up. So it is by Bravado. It is a size large. I looked online, and it is a unisex style, so it could be for men or women, and yeah, I just think that is really cool. The back of it's just plain. This next item is another brand I don't pick up all the time, but this is when style is important, because I think if something is on trend in style, brand doesn't necessarily mean everything. Now, the brand is which is a boutique brand, and you know, it's decently priced boutique, but yeah, I just don't always pick up boutique stuff for resale if it's been pre-owned. But yeah, I'm picking this up. It's a size medium because it is a really gorgeous kimono. It is long, it has pockets, it's got these really nice half sleeves, and I love the floral print. Like the back on this is beautiful, and we're coming up on festival season where kimonos are really big. Kimonos are also a great beach cover up. You can wear them to the pool, so I wanted to grab that. Okay, this next item, another example, wow, I had a lot of them, of when brand is not necessarily everything. So I love selling overall style, regular overalls, shortalls, and then overall dresses. So this is an overall dress, sometimes called a pinafore, and it buttons up the front. It's got this little pocket detail, and I like this one because it goes a little higher in the back, so you don't necessarily have to layer a shirt underneath it. So the brand on this one is Gap. It is a size large, and yeah, like I mentioned, I don't always pick up Gap, but I will if it is a trend that I think sells well and people are looking for. So I definitely think that's gonna sell fast. I think it's super cute. And then this next item is a wrap dress. I think starting to pick up shorts because, again, we are coming up on the spring season, and this is a pair by AG, Adriana Goldschmied, and it is the pixie short. I've sold this style before. It's just a roll-up denim short. These are a size 24, and I buy all sizes. I get asked that a lot, but I buy any size I find. For me, it's, you know, more important that it's going to be on trend or like a style that people are looking for, and then size, I will buy any of them. It just depends what I find. And then the next pair of shorts is super distressed. If you can't tell, they are also cuffed on the bottom. Like you can see through to the pockets and everything, and these are by 1 Teaspoon, and this pair of 1 Teaspoon shorts I believe is a size 25. And then the back also is just distressed, and I mentioned this before, but 1 Teaspoon has the style name here, so you can see these are called the Chargers. Okay, I picked up one pair of men's shorts. I like throwing in men's items when I find really cool, unique ones, and these are just some men's Levi's shorts. So they are by Levi's, and they have this cool tropical floral print. They're a men's size 34. And then I grabbed a couple pair of athletic pants. So I really like the herringbone knit. As you can see up close, Lululemon does one like this, but this pair of leggings with these pockets, they are actually by Athleta. And I do like selling Athleta. This one is, let's see, I think it's a size small. Yeah, so Athleta, size small. These honestly look like new, and I just think that's a great style. They're full-length legging. And then this next pair I was super excited about because I don't find this brand too frequently, and if you're familiar with the look of the style, they are Outdoor Voices. So I really like the color combination as well, the yellow with like the lighter yellow and then the baby blue. Okay, so these are Outdoor Voices, size small, and I looked briefly on Poshmark and it looks like this is a more rare colorway, but Outdoor Voices is quickly becoming one of my favorite athletic lines to find and sell. I just think it's really popular right now. And then on to a few pairs of jeans, which is always one of my favorite categories, and I've never sold this denim brand before. So they make other clothing like dresses and stuff, but it's Lovers and Friends denim, and these are some black distressed skinny jeans. They are super distressed, like they have holes in the knees. They could be worn rolled or unrolled, and then they also have this like slit in the back underneath the booty, and I looked online at stock photos because I wanted to make sure that was like supposed to be there, and it is. So I'm gonna test out selling Lovers and Friends denim, and these I think are a size 20. I'm pretty sure they're a size 26, so I'm gonna say 26 on those. Okay, this next pair, I don't always sell this brand. It is sold at Anthropologie. It is level 99. It's a size 26. They're called the Dahlia Flare. So I picked them up because they are a flare, which is a really hot denim trend right now. They're super long if you can't tell, but yeah, it goes out into a wide flare, and I really like the light wash. It's very retro. They're super stretchy. They're high rise. I thought the back was cool too. I like those pockets, so I will see how those do. And then the final pair of denim is a gray high-rise skinny jean. So they're super high. There's the skinny, and they are by Citizens of Humanity. This style is a style I always pick up by Citizens. If I see this, it's called the Rocket. It's a high-rise skinny, and it just seems to have a really good following. They sell pretty quickly for me on Poshmark. Okay, and this particular pair is a size 28. Okay, I grabbed a few accessories, and one of my favorite categories is belts that I talk about all the time, and I was really excited to find this one because I just think it's so beautiful. It is by Lucky Brand, and it's leather, and it just has all this colorful embroidery and detailing on it, and it's really nice. This one is Lucky Brand, and it is a size medium. Okay, this next belt is dark brown leather. It has this colorful rainbow floral embroidery. I just thought that was kind of, I don't know, it's almost like hippie looking, kind of retro 70s, and the brand on this one is Levi's. It's also a size medium, and I just think this will look great in the summertime with some like cutoff shorts and a white tank or graphic tee. It just adds like a little pop to any outfit. Okay, I found a couple of necklaces that caught my eye. I am pretty picky with jewelry. I don't always look through it, but I really like what I found this time. So this first one is a statement necklace, and it has these really pretty crystals and jewels on it, and it's just important to make sure none of them are missing. And then it's on this twisted, almost like fabric or like, I don't know what that is, cord. Okay, so the brand on this one, if you can see on that tiny little charm, it is by J. Crew, and they just make really good quality necklaces. And I thought this one was just different than a lot of the ones I have seen. I love the color combo, so yeah, that's really cool. This next one, I'm not sure if it's real. I think it's faux. It is, you know, pretty heavy, but it's just this little turquoise stone, and I believe that's in the shape of an arrowhead, and it's got these cool like coral accents, and I just really like how long it is. I think that's a great statement piece too. You can layer it with some shorter necklaces, and it's just really unique. I need to look up closer and see if there's any kind of marking on it, but I don't think there is. And yeah, that is it for the accessories. So that's it for my most recent haul. I'm going to get everything listed ASAP. If you're interested in any items, or you want to see like how much I list them for, what they look like after being photographed, check out my Poshmark closet. It's in the description box down below. My username on there is EMPTYHANGER. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like haul videos. I know I love watching haul videos, and hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed to my channel already. I will see you in my next video. Bye.